Real.
What? 16 hours left of this? Is that about where we're at? 14, somewhere in there? All right, guys. We're getting closer. So, thank you once again to all the efforts that have been put into this. Today, right now, after this, what's going on? Freddie causing a ruckus? Alright, right after this meeting, if I can have everybody's attention to knock out what we have in the pets. What was that? Step me out. Oh, that's good. You guys must be watching Family Guy.
Monday POV.
Good.